Welcome everyone. This is Miss Mndebele. I'm going to be showing you our Practicum room for level 2, level 3 and level 4 for wholesale and retail. Okay, this video is just a sneak preview of how our Practicum room looks like, and it's very important that you are familiar with the Practicum room so that when you do your practicals, it's easy for you to understand what's happening in our Practicum room. Okay, let us start. As you could see there, we have our entrance, then our parcel counter. There we have mannequins, we have our fridges, then that is our wallpaper, that is our deli. As you could see, those promotional tables, our parcel counter. This is our shelves, we call them gondola ends. As you could see there, we have followed our planogram when we were packing. Then there you see our till point where our cashiers will be situated, and this is point. And here you see our store manager's office. There at the store manager's office, then as you could see also there we have our fitting room. At our fitting room, it's where our customers will go for fittings if they're buying clothes at our stores. Then we're gonna move to see our storeroom. This is our storeroom. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.